Coaches, let's be brutally honest. You didn't get certified to beg for views. You got certified to change lives. But if no one watches, you can't help anyone. Today, I'm not teaching you how to make videos. I'm teaching you how to build a funnel of influence using the wonderful platform that's YouTube, where the right clients find you, trust you, and beg you to coach them. This is your 10-step blueprint. Most coaches treat YouTube like a diary. Here's what I think today. Nobody cares. Your audience isn't searching for your diary. They are searching for the solution to their pain. If you are not surgically targeting their specific wound with every thumbnail, you are just shouting into the void. We are here to fix that. Here's your shift. Don't ask, what should I film today? Ask, what are the 3 core struggles keeping my ideal client up at 3 a.m? Those 3 struggles become your content pillars. For you, my motivational mapping friends, that's client discovery, retention struggles, and authority building. Film only those 3 things. Everything else is a distraction. This is your cheat code. Book a shoot and capture 4 specific energies. Shock for mistake videos, joy for win videos, curiosity for secret videos, and authority for masterclass videos. Don't smile in every one. Your face is your billboard. If you look bored, they scroll past. If you look human, they click. Which energy do you need to capture more of? Let's talk design. Put your face on the rule of thirds top or side cross point, never center. Pump the contrast, and here is the golden rule for coaches: 3 words or less. If your thumbnail needs a paragraph, you've already lost. Your face sells the emotion, the title sells the context. Speak to their identity, not their curiosity. The biggest crime in coaching YouTube? Confusing the viewer. If your title says how to map motivation, but your thumbnail shows you screaming, your click-through rate tanks. They must tell the same story. The thumbnail grabs the gut feeling. The title gives the intellectual hook. If they don't match, you're wasting your budget on good thumbnails. Here's where the ego dies. You think you know which thumbnail works. You don't. YouTube has a test and compare feature. Upload 3 thumbnails for every video. Let the data pick the winner. This one habit can double your views overnight without changing a single word of your coaching advice. Stop guessing, start testing. You are not a content factory. You are a funnel. Shorts are your handshake. Catch their attention in 15 seconds. Long form is your consultation. Deep value that builds trust. Playlists are your retention strategy. Get them binge watching your entire coaching methodology. If you only make one, you leave influence on the table. If you don't hook them in 30 seconds, they leave, period. The hook is not, hey guys, welcome back. The hook is an immediate promise. Say this: if you're a coach who feels invisible online, this 3-step map fix changed my client's retention by 40%. Let's go. Deliver the value immediately. They don't trust you yet, so show them the gold up front. Here is your quest, fellow influencer. Book that photo shoot this week. Capture your 4 emotions and post 1 video using this exact framework. Coaches, you are the authority you've been waiting for. YouTube is just the stage. The world is waiting for your map. I'm the YouTube guy. Now go pour your own Merlin's brew of influence. See you in the next one.